Today we're gonna teach Nemo how to sandbag some people. Who's gonna carry the bags? Save it for the weekend for Nemo. Today we're gonna whip it and clip it. Nemo's gonna sand the trench. It's Nemo in his natural habitat. Hold Right Solutions sent me out those stops by PEX. Bam. Using Viga Pro Press PEX, of course. I'm just your normal commercial over here for plumbing on social media. Don't forget to buy a shirt, sweatshirt, 30-pack jackandjill.store. And they only got 7 days left. Whip it and clip it. Why do I use Viga and not Uponor? I just don't like the wait time on cold expansion when it gets cold up here and you can't put air in it. It doesn't hold a test. It drips when you put water in it. You can't leave right away. Viga, you press it. Everything they put out is bulletproof, so I trust it. I think that's good enough explanation for the comment section. Let's get back to whip it and clip it. I'm gonna talk to my phone, all right? So you guys don't think I'm weird. I said I'm gonna talk to my phone so you don't think I'm weird talking to myself over here, right? New additions got their own ball valves, got the pumps done. Nemo sanded the trenches. There's Nemo. I cut a couple of studs out, but the carpenters are here. See, there's the carpenters. Yep. Yeah. Electricians over there hacking it in. Whip it and clip, it's all done. Now it's just time to test it on Monday and call for an inspection.